2. So find the sums given below. As you can see, the sequence is given over here and we need to find the sum. Okay. Okay. So in this question, as you can see, we have A as 7. We know the value of D as it is 10 1 by 2 minus 7. That comes out to be 21 by 2 minus 7. That is 2 is the LCM. 21 minus 14. That is 7 by 2. Okay, but the problem here is we don't know the value of n. Okay, without knowing the value of n we cannot calculate the sum. Okay, SN formula apply nahi kar sakte. So to get the value of n we need to have a different formula, that is an equals to a plus n minus 1d. Okay, from here we need to first get the value of n. So let us do that. An is given, as you can see here, the last term value is 84, so this value is given as 84. A is 7, we don't know the value of n, and the value of d is 7 by 2. Okay, so 84 minus 7 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Therefore this comes out to be 77. N minus 1 into 7 by 2. Now n minus 1 cross multiplication, so this is 7 into 2 and that is 14. Okay, 7 ones are 7 11s are, sorry I have written 7 over here, this should be 11 22. Okay, now n minus 1 equals to 22, therefore value of n is 22 plus 1, that is 23. Now we have got the value of n to be 23. Now we can apply the formula Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. Okay, because l is the last term, a is the first term, and n also we know, that is 23. So straight away we can find out 23 by 2, a is 7 plus 84. That comes out to be 23 into 91 by 2, that is 2093 by 2, or else you can write down 1046 like this. Okay, so this is the value of S23. Therefore the required sum is 1046. Clear? Okay, important point here to be noted is the value of n. Okay, please make a note of this. The value of n should always be a whole number. Okay, as you can see over here, the value of n comes out to be 23. Okay, the sequence might be in the decimal form, that is okay, but the value of n should always be in a whole number to be a AP. Clear? Okay, let us solve the next question. So we have done the first one. Now let us solve the next one. Here the value of A is given as 34. Value of D is 32 minus 34. That comes out to be negative 2. And the last term, or you can write down L, is given as 10. Okay, again we don't know the value of n, so we can write down an equals to a plus n minus 1d. Now this L is nothing but your an also, because this is the last term. Okay, so do not get confused. So this an is 10, a is 34, n we don't know, and d is minus 2. Okay, try to understand this one. See, यहाँ पे दो चीज़ें involved हैं. When I am writing an is equals to 10, that means what? The value of an is 10. It is the value. Okay, but do you know about this n? The answer is no, you don't know about this n. Okay, so do not get confused when I am writing an or L equals to 10. Fine, so let us continue. This is 10 minus 34 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 2. So this is minus 24. I'm bringing minus 2 down. This is n minus 1. Therefore n minus 1 equals to, this is going to be 12. Therefore n equals to 13. Okay, the value of n should be a whole number. Now we can straight away find out Sn. Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So S13 is 13 by 2, a is given as 34, and 13 minus 1 d. Okay, therefore S13 equals to 13 by 2, this is 68, this is 12, 13 minus 1 is 12, 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. Therefore S13 is equals to 13 by 2 into 44. So this will get cancel out. 2 ones are 2, 22s are. So this is 286. Fine. Therefore value of S13 is 286. Now the same sum you can solve it in a different way also, and that is the shortcut. So write down, or the same sum can be solved as S13 equals to n by 2 a plus L. S13, n is 13 by 2. What is my a? 34. What is my last term? That is 10. So 13 by 2 into 44, that is 13 into 22, that is 286. ओके, 2 1s are 2, 22s are, ये तो समझ में आ ही गया होगा, ठीक है ना. सो ये क्या बनेगा? S13 इक्वल्स टू 286 बनेगा. Okay, so either you can use this one or the above method to get the answer. So write down the final statement. The required sum, thus the required sum is 286. Clear? So we have completed with the second question. Now let us solve the third question. Okay, so let us solve the third question. The value of a is given as -5. d की वैल्यू हमें कैलकुलेट करनी है. सो d क्या होगा? -8 -5, and that will be -8 plus 5 is -3. L is given as -230. Fine. So let us calculate. Again the value of n is not given. तो सबसे पहले हम n की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. So you can use any method. For example, an equals to a plus n minus 1d. Okay. if you want to write down L as 230, or this is nothing but your AN as well. Okay, therefore minus 230, my A is minus 5, N we don't know, and D is minus 3. Therefore minus 230 plus 5 is equals to N minus 1 minus 3. Therefore it is minus 225 divided by minus 3 is N minus 1. Therefore N minus 1 equals to 75. माइनस माइनस कट हो जाएगा. N equals to 75 plus 1. Therefore N equals to 76. Clear? Now we can use that method wherein Sn equals to n by 2 A plus L. Therefore S76 is going to be 76 by 2. What is the value of A? Minus 5. The value of L is minus 230. So this is going to be 38 into, this is going to be minus 5 minus 230, that means minus 235. Okay, so if you do the calculation, it will come out to be minus 8930. So this will be my answer.